Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com and this is Buffalo Chicken Toast. I do love me a good avocado toast, and today we're going to add on to that with some buffalo chicken, grilled buffalo chicken specifically. So let's get it pounded out. Got a couple of chicken breasts here in a plastic bag. We're gonna pound these out so that they're even in thickness all the way across. Just hitting them with some duck fat spray to help everything move a little bit easier. So I'm gonna take the flat side of this mallet and just beat down the thick end. So now it's kind of all one uniform thickness. Chicken's now going into a brining bag. We're gonna add some pickle juice to it. About a cup of the spicy garlic dill pickle juice from Holmes. Squeeze the air out of there. An hour or two should do it. Back to the fridge. You can see how that brine starts to affect the texture of the chicken. You don't want to go too far with this, which is why only an hour or two is a good idea. The buffalo sauce is going to do most of the talking here, so we're just going to give it a little bit of salt. But since we're going buffalo, we might as well go habanero. Cooking on the griddle today on the Yoder Smokers YS640s pellet grill. It's running at 450 degrees. Just getting some duck fat down on there so this doesn't stick. Nice and hot, preheated for quite a while now. Just want to get a little bit of color on here on each side, and then obviously cook this through to about 155, 160. All right, got a little bit of sear on there. Leaving the lid open because this is pounded pretty thin. So now we'll just bring the internal temperature up in the center, or the thickest part, although it's all pretty even. Like I said, 155, 160. Now we've hit the mark, so let's take these off the grill. And then while they rest, we'll toast our bread. Let's start by throwing some butter down. And then we've got some nice sourdough bread that we're gonna toast. All right, so let's get these on the butter. Should be a quick toast. Griddle's pretty hot. Yeah, there we go. Just want to get a little bit of crunch on there. Both sides toasted now. Let's get these off the grill and go build our toast. Now we're just gonna dice these chicken breasts up, toss them in some buffalo sauce. Now I've made buffalo sauce a dozen times on this channel. If you guys wanna go make one from scratch, you can go check out one of those videos. I'll link to it down below in the description. But today we're gonna use a bottled one because we got it on the shelf at atbbq.com, and honestly, it's really tasty. I'm gonna go with some avocado on the bottom. Good handful of chicken on top. It's been soaking up that buffalo sauce. And then finishing touches. Then we're gonna top this off with a little bit of ranch dressing. This is our buttermilk ranch. And then, if you fancy, some blue cheese crumbles on top. This is our smokehouse blue cheese, so it's gonna add a little extra smokiness to it. I know this is a savage way to eat this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm wearing it, right? I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. Love avocado, love toast, love buffalo chicken. Why not throw them all together? It's tangy, slightly salty. You get great texture contrast between the creaminess of the ranch, chicken super tender, and then crispy toast underneath. And then that toast just soaks up all of that sauce as it drips down into it. Super combination. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.